I decided to try something new today to speed up our time and make the best use of our time when picking up groceries for camping. So right now we're on our way to our campsite. Yesterday I placed an order online at the Walmart pickup, at a Walmart that's on our way to our campsite. I allowed the app to track me. When we got here, the app knew that we pulled in with the camper, which is right here. It's a little rainy today. We pulled in, the gentleman was walking out with the groceries, which is typical for when I pull in with my car. This time we had our camper. He said it was the first he's ever loaded groceries into a camper refrigerator. And right here is what we purchased, along with the refrigerator things. I did make one error this time, totally my fault. When I was getting some of our fresh produce in this order, I thought I was getting 12 mini bananas. Apparently I did not read correctly. I ordered 12 sets of mini bananas in this grocery order. I would highly recommend this. It was our first time doing it. We were in and out in a few minutes, have everything we need. We already had the refrigerator cold, so we could put things right in here as soon as he walked them out to the camper. Unloaded it, I signed, we're on our way.